Are you ready to transform your pasture renovation? AgriCOTE from Barenbrug, an advanced seed enhancement and coating technology, is here to help farmers and producers achieve consistent, reliable, and productive results with every sowing. AgriCOTE is Barenbrug's premium seed enhancement solution. Starting with high-quality seed, we apply a precise coating of lime, protective polymers, nutrients, fungicides, insecticides, growth promotants, and encapsulated rhizobia, all in one advanced formulation. AgriCOTE offers farmers a host of significant advantages. It boosts early seedling vigor, improves root development, and ensures better crop establishment in challenging field conditions. Compared to bare seeds, AgriCOTE provides measurable gains, such as greater plant establishment, enhanced resilience to stress, and protection against harmful insects and fungal diseases. Every element in AgriCOTE plays a critical role. The lime coating optimizes the microenvironment around the seed, boosting water absorption and pH levels. Fungicides and insecticides protect seedlings during their most vulnerable stages. Nutrients and promotants enhance early regrowth and plant vigor. And for legumes, encapsulated rhizobia ensures proper nitrogen fixation. At Barenbrug, our process is driven by science. With a state-of-the-art facility in Toowoomba, we conduct rigorous research and development to ensure that every seed we coat performs under tropical conditions. From testing agronomic benefits to field trials, our commitment to quality enables us to provide long-lasting solutions to farmers worldwide. Designed with the farmer in mind, AgriCOTE technology isn't just innovative, it's practical. Its enhanced ballistic properties make it ideal for aerial distribution, while its uniform coating ensures seamless sowing in all conditions. Farmers see stronger, more resilient plants, even when facing tropical challenges. AgriCOTE has revolutionized seed coating technology, helping farmers maximize their investment and grow healthier, more productive pasture. Enhance your yields, simplify your sowing, and build stronger pastures with AgriCOTE. Contact your local territory manager to discuss how AgriCOTE coated seed can enhance your next sowing season, or visit our website for more information.